to see it because this vegetable is so expensive, so rare.
I still remember the good times I was in Ho Chi Minh City. I walked through the park after drive. It smells so good. The freshness of everything in the park, from the plants, the trees, and the birds singing. It gives me the very motivated feeling. I still remember that the time I often have some feelings like a little bit blue, sad or whatever, something like in a different side of me. But it's not always. But I feel I still remember. And it reminds me, it recalls my memories a lot when I walk through the September 23rd park. It's right the Ho Chi Minh City downtown. This is one besides the very big hotel and AB Towers, the newer one. But it's also gave it a very good feeling when I was touched in the nature with the flowers. Those I have not often watched out very clearly before, like the four plants I have seen, and also really enjoyable when I was in the Kingdom of Cambodia. Templates and everything has been changed. The September 23rd past only kept remain, just only some they have see something new location like statue about the AB Tower. It's not really new, next door to the New World Hotel. And everything that has been doing the construction for the mass transport in the biggest city of Vietnam country. I just walk on the other park, another park also opposite to the street over there, right, the Johnson. It's not because you want to be grown up or you want to be back to the childhood. To be your youth again, calling your memories, recall your love, wishes, and dreams. Ho Chi Minh City is here, still exciting, lovely in the way it's up. I love the morning time. I love to receive one more day to have the very good energy for me in my life. I think it's always good to be grateful for whatever happening to our life. We thank you for life events. Those we feel a little bit disappointed, blue, sad, upset, assaulted, or whatever. For being turning one day, you feel it lovely, enjoyable, and more than the special station, in particularly, uniquely or something that you feel like the gift of the life ready to you to be the most useful, loveliest, I'm loving to go after friend. It's also because it's the morning start without when the friends is stopped already. So I'm very happy to enjoy my homeland city, Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. I hope that you have a good day also, that you have a good start, and you also have the good day with the coffee. Because this coffee is one of the most iconic and the nature gift in Vietnam. So I'm really excited to enjoy this very special place in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm really love to enjoy. I'll show you a little bit around. Well, there's no customer at this time to be easy to show because it's very convenient for me to show you the way basic feel like in Ho Chi Minh City downtown right the corner. I'm so excited and really happy. How awesome! I want to tell you this place is right interjunction between the crossroads Lê Thánh Tôn and Lê Anh Xuân. Yeah, the customers is coming already. How awesome! Thank you God for starting day with a coffee. Since I'm watching something like this, also remember my Vietnam country also with this one. You have a great day.